that's a wet foot.
Ah! Paddle! Paddle!
Crazy.
Free ride! Thank you.
Ready for a walk?
Good morning. We are in Banff National Park at Lake Louise Campground doing our morning coffee walk with Kona, and we are gearing up for another awesome adventure to Jasper National Park today.
If you guys saw episode 2, you'll see that we ran into some major hiccups with our lack of planning. There's just a lot of things we didn't expect. So this time, we've done our due diligence, and we're hoping for this weather to keep going strong and for no hiccups along the way, but we'll see.
Yeah, and we hopefully did a good enough repair on our inflatable kayak.
So we're actually 1,500 feet above Lake Louise, which we already found out was frozen. So no chance of paddling this, but just surrounded by the mountains. I mean, we have mountains all the way from the left, all the way to the right, and it's just amazing. This whole drive up here.
If you're gonna make the trip from Calgary to Banff National Park and Jasper, make sure to do the Icefields Parkway because this is the most beautiful road we've ever taken.
All the mountains are super unique in their own way, and every corner there's another one that pops out. We're probably like 10 feet offshore. We're not going to push our luck too much because it is thawing, but I don't know, pretty cool. We can still stand on it, but we're not going to start today by falling in a lake. So good. 1.5 PSI is all it takes. For reference, our other stand-up paddleboard ran 15 PSI. I do a little bit less on that guy just to increase our chances of that patch holding. That's how we're looking. Oh yeah, so far so good.
For the very first time, waterfowl lake. Oh, paddle down. Yeah, I think we should be good. You don't need our rubber boots. There's literally ice floating by.
Oh, no, it's okay. Thank you. I'm just.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's a wet foot. That's good. That's fine.
On our way to pick up the GoPro. Slow. Oh, what if it hits us? It's moving fast. We would not. Ah! Paddle! Paddle! Yeah! You can see we didn't panic. The ice sounds crazy. What if it moves and blocks our exit?
We're way higher up. That'd be interesting. Little, let me see if I can grab one. Let's hope we didn't just pop the raft again.
Whoa, that's pretty cool. All right, I think it's time to head back.
Little rain, time to go. Kona's probably back there losing her mind. Can confirm our entry point has now been taken over by the iceberg. New exit point right here, and then we'll just walk over.
So glad we started bright and early this morning and got to paddle on the lake before the weather shifted, because we have been driving through Jasper all day and now it's raining. And we are at the Icefields Parkway campground. We just arrived. There's a sky walk, there's a glacier walk. We're not gonna do either of those right now because it's so cloudy, but we are gonna go stay at the campground, so let's go check it out.
Initial plan was we were gonna camp here for the night, wait out the rain, and then hit the road in the morning when the weather cleared up. But the weather's kind of cleared up, and we decided we didn't really want to see this glacier. It is the most visited glacier in North America, but we're on our way to Alaska. There's a lot more up there. So we're gonna continue on, hopefully get to a campground closer to Jasper, the town, and keep seeing what we see.
I think what I like most about traveling this time of the year is that there is so much water at all the places that we're going to. The lakes, the waterfalls, the rivers, it's freaking flowing. Buck Lake? Maybe we're about to see a buck. Hey, Buck Lake, no, he's leaving. He's almost. In 2024, there was a wildfire that burned a good chunk of Jasper National Park, sadly. And we have traveled really far, really close to the town of Jasper, and we're just now hitting it and seeing the effects of it. But there is already new growth. Finished our final hike of the day and waterfall, and it's feeling really nice and warm, and now we're gonna go see if we can get a first come first serve campsite for this evening.
Yeah, relax.
Yeah, let's relax. Thanks for watching. This video is just one part of our road trip to Alaska, where we find free campsites, epic views, and all the chaos in between. Tap one of these videos to keep the journey going.